जय श्री राम। सदाशिव ब्रह्मेंद्र सिंग्स चिंता नास्ति किला तेषां शमदम करुणा संपूर्णानां साधु समागम संकीर्णानां कालत्रयजित कंदर्पाणां खंडित सर्वेन्द्रिय दर्पाणां परमहंस गुरुपद चित्तानां ब्रह्मानंदामृत मत्तानां चिंता नास्ति किला तेषां. Now the meaning, चिंता नास्ति, there is no worry, kila indeed, tesham, for those people there is no worry indeed, चिंता नास्ति किला तेषां. Shamadama karuna sampurnanam, for those who are filled with virtues like shama dhamma, restraint, self-control and compassion, and for those sadhu samagama sankirnanam, for those who are always in the association of sadhus, noble virtuous people, Ram Bhaktas, true Ram Bhaktas. Kalatrayajita kandarpanam, for those who have conquered lust at all three divisions of time, past, present and future. Kalatrayajita kandarpanam khandita sarvendriya darpanam, and for those who have quelled the pride of all their intelligence and sense organs, there is no worry indeed. Chinta nasti kila. Chinta nasti kila tesham. For such people there is nothing to worry at all. Paramahamsa Gurupada Chittanam Brahmanandamruta Mattana. For those whose minds are fixed on the feet of the Supreme Guru, which is Krishna anyway, Paramahamsa Gurupada Chittanam Brahmanandamruta Mattana. For those who are intoxicated with the ambrosia of Brahmananda, there is no worry indeed. Chinta nasti kila. They don't have to worry. So, study the Gita and forget all worry, give up all worry, because Gita is the cure for Shoka, Moha, Bhaya. Shoka of the past, Moha in the present and Bhaya of the future. Chinta nasti kila tesham. There is no worry indeed for a true Gita Upasak, because Krishna is our ex-promiser. Ex-promiser means a person who pays your debts. He will take care. Therefore 1866, Sarvadharman Parityajya Mamekam Sharanam Vraja Aham Tva Sarvapapebhyo Mokshayishyami Ma Shuchaha. He is giving us the assurance also. So Chinta Nasti Kila Tesham Shamadama Karuna Sampurnanam Sadhu Samagama Sankirnanam Kalatrayajita Kandarpanam Khandita Sarvendriya Darpanam Paramahamsa Gurupada Chittanam Brahmanandamruta Mattanam Chinta Nasti Kila Tesham. Jai Shri Ram.